Hello. Today we're talking about decluttering your planner. You know that I believe that a planner is the best way to lay out your day, which in turn will lay out your week, your month, your year, and that's how you accomplish things. By following the FlyLady plan, planning your own version of that plan. In other words, what are you going to do in your entryway? The 4 things are you going to do for your zone work, etc. So decluttering your planner means to make sure that it's streamlined and organized. Organized means like things together. Make sure that you're putting your routines in one area of your planner. I use Kimmy's She's in Her Apron planner, and I use the area that says morning routines and evening routines and write them in there. I also think that your zone needs to be in one place for the week. So you can write zone 1 and you list the 15 minutes. It works this way in all areas of your life. Organizing, putting like things together, streamlining, not putting too many frivolous things in the planner so that you're distracted. If you have a list of to-dos thrown in with everything else, that's not going to be good. You need the to-dos separately. All right, have a great day.